Hey guys, this is Carlos Obiedo, and I wanted to show you this platform that is wonderful because it gives the chance to guys like me that I have no data science background or not even engineering background. I'm a business administration guy, and I can easily use this platform to create machine learning models without the need to use any code or any data science. And for me, that's just amazing. And let me show you a little bit how this works. This platform uses basically setting up two things: the datasets that you can either import or connect to the databases, and the different models that you can use in order to get to the different results you want to reach. For instance, if we want to use a dataset, we can either import a CSV file, connect to a MySQL, even go to MS SQL or Oracle databases. Whatever you have, we can connect that to. And the other wonderful thing about this is the different models that you have. You have a time series forecast that is done in machine learning, the binary classification, also in machine learning, multi-class classification, the regression, and the general segmentation. All of those are machine learning models. And they also have an advanced analytics for RFM, customer segmentation, customer lifetime value, new versus returning customers. They have different models that you can use in order to create your different analysis. So let's start doing that. For instance, we can import. I want to import a dataset, so I want to use this one called churn, and I have it right here. You can see the different columns of it has 25 different columns and 7,000 different rows. You can see the settings, the different columns, and you can adjust that before you enter the information in the machine learning model. You have a summary here of the different characteristics of the information: churn, contract, customer ID, dependence, gender. This is the file that just uploaded, and you can see that it already has some information. No? This is already run, but let me show you some of the results that are here. For instance, if you see the performance of the machine learning model, you're going to see different scores here. F1 score is an evaluation of a metric that is defined as a harmonic mean, or you can see accuracy, or you can see AUC, that is area under the curve, precision, you can see recall, and it gives you a little detail of what happened with the data that is just being uploaded, right? So what happened with information, what model did they use, and a lot of the detail used to create this analysis. Let me go back to what I want to show you. In the training results, once you run the model with just one click, it runs all the different machine learning models, and it automatically chooses the best one for you. So you don't even have to guess, or this is saving a lot of time. Can you imagine some guys doing all those different analyses? It'll take a while. I don't know how much, but it takes a while. For me, it's just a matter of one click and I get the results. And it's not only the result. It gives me the preference of the machine learning according to the best analytics for this kind of data. You can see the details of what it ran, and you can see the different, if you have false positive or true positive, they have all the information. The key drivers for the churn, for instance, according to this analysis, is the contract. So when you say if you have a contract that is renewed month to month, you have a 6.3 times more likely to end the contract. Contrary, if you have a, let me show you here. In case if I want to change it to no churn, what do I have to do? If I, instead of having a month-to-month that decreases 1.63 times the likelihood to renew, when I have a 2-year contract, is 1.747 times likely to keep the customers. So, but also it gives you, according to the Gen AI that it has inserted in the platform, a prescriptive recipe for success. So, according to this. Feature importance, the feature contract has the importance of 2973, making it one of the most significant predictors of churn. It gives you a distribution analysis. The majority of the customers on a month-to-month contract are about almost 40%. The type of contract is associated with a higher likelihood of churn, with a multiplier of 6.3x, increases the churn likelihood in customers with a 2-year contract have a significantly churn rate. So this is the recipe: change your contracts from month-to-month to a 2-year contract. So it'll increase 12x the likelihood to churn, to not to churn. So it gives you a little bit of analysis, but also it gives you the description for all the variables, not only for the contract, and the recipe that you have to do in every one of the variables over here. This is another example of, let me go back and see if you have an e-commerce and we want to understand the customer lifetime value, and we run around this scenario. Let me give you the results. According to what we ran, we have a total of 3,869 repeat customers out of a 17.11 million. The average spend is 4.42K. The average number of repeat purchases is 2.83. The average probability is 50%. The predicted number of purchases, according to the data, is 1.63K, and the predicted amount in volume of the purchase is 2.12 million. So the customer lifetime value is 6.3. So it starts to give you a lot of the insights according to the analysis that the platform did, and it gives you a lot of details. This is a model for customer segmentation on e-commerce orders. So it's going to give you here the results and give you the details. If a customer has been lost, if a customer is at risk to be lost, is about to sleep, you cannot lose this customer. What are the champions customers that you have? For instance, if I would be a marketing department, this is the profile of the customers, because I already have a customer ID that would I have to identify to segment the digital marketing. Or if I want to have a specific strategy for keeping the customer, I would ask for the about to sleep, cannot lose, and at-risk customers, and I would create a specific marketing campaign for these guys in order to keep the customer. So it gives you a lot of insights. And the actionable insights you'll see here is for the at-risk customer, increased frequency, recency. There are 490 different customers in the segment. It's 4.7 out of the total database. And it gives you this value with an average spend of around almost $4,000. So it gives you all the statistics and the recommendable actionable insights to do for the marketing department. So it gives you a lot of information. So as you can see, this is a very easy to use platform, even for guys like me. So if you need any demo or instruction how to use this platform, please let us know and call me at ISITA.com, or you can use my LinkedIn platform, Carlos Obiedo, so I can explain you how we can work together. Thank you very much.